Yeah.
Paano magkaka-attention yung bata kung puro babad sa
iPad.
screens? And then sabihin natin, hindi naman all day teacher. Dapat talaga hindi all day. 0 to 2 years old should have 0 screens.
Pakiulit yan.
0 to 2 years old should have 0 screens. At 6 months kasi, that's when you start to have more trunk stability. And that's also, di ba, when medyo tinetest mo na kung, di ba, ipaprop nila yung bata on the chair, titingnan nila kung, nakakaupo na ba siya mag-isa. So this is just an example of how development happens hand in hand. They should all make sense because that's what the body is capable of at that time. So we feed solid food only when they have trunk stability because kapag lang stable na yung katawan nila at hindi sila gaganyan-ganyan, pwede rin nilang ma-stabilize yung chewing of solid food. Because I can't think of a direct example right now, pero there are things that you will find harder to do kung hindi stable yung katawan mo. Let's talk about singing, for example. Kung nakahiga ka, medyo mas mahirap kumanta kasi yung katawan mo, yung lungs mo, medyo naka-ano ng gravity, di ba? Kapag nakahiga ka on your back. And it's the same way. So kapag stable yung trunk mo, dun ka palang makaka-isolate ng other movements like vertical chewing, etc. Diyan siya lahat na de-develop almost at the same time. So that's just a way that I explain how development happens hand in hand globally. Hindi siya parang, kasi sabi nila, dapat magsalita na ng 1. Bakit? Because the body is ready to move in certain ways at 1. Hindi lang siya magic na dapat. So, ibig sabihin ko lang, I'm trying to give this context para din maintindihan na there are prerequisite skills for other things to happen. So, yung mga parents na nagsasabing, hindi pa po siya nagsasalita ng 1-year-old, pero nag-coo ba siya? Nagbabble ba siya nag-coo at 3 months and nagbabble ba at 6? Because if hindi ka nakarinig ng any other vocal productions before that, you really cannot expect the child to suddenly talk by 1-year-old in typical development. So that's what I mean about things happening globally in development. So paano natin malalaman kung delay siya? Let's say, yan nga, ang mga skills kasi happen usually in certain ranges. For example, at 1-year-old, yung mga tinitingnan nga natin is able to start walking, able to say their first word, etc. They are usually clumped with different sorts of skills. Kapag, let's say, 3 years old na siya, pero nakita mo na yung clump of skills that's typical of a pattern in development. 3 years old, dun siya natutong maglakad. Dun siya natutong magsalita. But all those skills together are only happening now, but together is one sign that it could be a delay. I think it'll be easier to understand when I start talking about a disorder. So, what do I mean by not clumped together? For example, 2 years old na siya, never kayong tinawag na mama, never kayo tinawag na papa, never nakapagsabi ng dede, di dumaan sa first word. Pero, nakakapagsulat mag-isa. Anong sabi ko? 2 years old nung example ko, diba? So,
Yes, 2 years old.
2 years old, di dumaan sa first words, pero nagsusulat. Nakikita mo nagsusulat siya.
Ng words
Ng
talaga.
words. Makikita mo nagsusulat siya. CAT. Ha? Hindi ko naman tinuro yan. Or, randomly, habang, kunyari, naglalaro yung bata, keep in mind, sabi ko, hindi siya nagmamama, papa, dede, the usual first words. Pero maririnig mo siyang, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is blah, 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 blah. So, all those skills that I talked about that should usually be clumped together is not happening. The skills are not ordered in the typical order that I described earlier.
Right.
That is what we would consider a disorder.
Wow.
It is not ordered in the typical patterns.
Okay.
So this is kaya ito yung example ko is ito yung some of the most common that I get now is, teacher, yung anak ko hindi makapaghingi yan ng milk niya. Hindi man lang ako matawag ng mama, pero nare-recite niya yung twinkle twinkle ng buo. Klarong-klarong twinkle twinkle niya. Or
Mhm.
may sinasabi siyang dialogue dun sa lagi niyang pinapanood na na cartoon. Pero never ako tinawag niyan by mama or papa. This is an example of disordered. The skills are scattered. They're not in the typical order of the pattern that we understand historically and on average of karamihan ng bata in development.
So, GDD basically is just the delay.
So global developmental delay, to differentiate it from a delay, is it's not just one delay. Globally, there needs to be 2 or more delays in aspects of their development. Meaning, it's not just speech and language, but it's also gross motor skills.
Yes.
For example, 3 years old na siya and hindi pa siya naglalakad at hindi pa siya nagsasalita. 2 aspects. That's gross motor skills and speech and language.
Okay.
So they are delayed in 2 areas of development. There are other combinations so that was just an example.
Iniisip ko lang, so pag yung disorder,
Mhm.
Tyrannosaurus rex siya, ganyan-ganyan. Pag nakita mong disorder yan, nadadiagnose ba yun usually ng iba pang sakit? Or meron ding global development disorder? I mean, okay, so
I think I know what you're asking. Do you mean that is GDD a sign for something else?
no, what I mean, like, GDD is already GDD, right? And then
Mhm.
you realize it's not GDD, it's a disorder. But what is that disorder?
So because GDD could be a sign of a disorder. Meaning mamaya kung may iba pa siyang behaviors na present, you need to watch out for it. Kasi because any delay is a sign that a child is struggling. Why is the child struggling with something? That's the underlying thing you want to find.
Okay. So GDD is a symptom of a condition.
Not always It could just be na
Delay
na-delay
lang
siya.
talaga siya.
Pwedeng environment. Pwedeng, hindi ko pala kinalaro yung anak ko kasi sobrang busy ko.
Wow.
It could be a factor of kung bakit na-delay yung tao. Environment. Di ba lagi meron tayong nature and nurture.
Yes.
So, a lot of things are, I mean, I don't know the exact statistic for this, but definitely there are things that you are born with, but our environment is also a huge factor in how someone thrives in this world.
Even giving love, it's a
Yeah.
big factor.
Oh my God,
diba?
ang daming interesting research about love and negligence. So for example, even the parents that think, hindi naman kami, for example, hindi namin ina-abuse yung bata, sinasabi nila. For example, lagi naman siyang nakakarga or napapakain naman namin regularly. Pero hindi nila na-realize na there are studies that show a child as early as 1 year old, kapag nakakarinig ng sigawan in another room, it affects them and their development because your emotions can physicalize. So, ang daming interesting studies about environment only and how, although you can never separate it in research. How can you separate it from nature? But, I mean, na ang variables na chine-change lang nila or tinitingnan nila are in the environment and it shows a huge impact on child development.
So, tignan niyo yung mga nyo yung mga anak nyo, check nyo kung growing up na alagaan nyo bang maayos. Kasi sometimes, sasabihin nila parang, ang baba naman ito, ang slow naman ito.
Oh my gosh,
baka
ang
naman
dami.
hindi mo naman din kasi inano nung bata yan, di ba? We're not saying na,
Yeah, we're not
walang-
attacking
wala.
any lifestyle.
yeah, tsaka, ganun talaga. Pero what we're saying is that, this is
Mindfulness.
and then this is what happened. This is the cause.
Cause. Yeah, cause and effect.
Cause and effect. Ganun lang. That's what it is.
Everything we put out in the world has consequences, good or bad.
Right.
So, I guess ito rin yung medyo nahihirapan ako to break to some parents who, because So funny na yan yung example mo about, ano ba naman tong anak ko teacher, ang parang ang hirap turuan. Parang
Oh.
hindi kunyari makapagsulat or makapagbasa. And then I probe and I say, ano na bang ginawa natin? Anong exposure niya sa ganyan? And then lalabas na, well, you never spent time on these skills. Some parents expect children to develop
On their own?
on their own. Diyan mo din makikita na iba-iba talaga yung tao sa mundo. Like, kung hindi ako nag-content creation, medyo
Magkakabubble ka pa.
nung bubble ko na feeling ko ganito lahat ng tao mag-isip as parents or because yan yung circles ko.
Mm.
But meeting and hearing from so many Filipinos around the world, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. Kasi ang dami ding mga super sweet na mga, yaya po ako sa Saudi pero gusto kong tulungan yung
Ay, may
autistic
napanood akong
ko na.
content mo niyan.
So, sobrang nakaka-touch na umi-effort talaga sila para
Mm.
magawa nila yung job nila properly to support these individuals all around the world. Pero dun mo rin makikita how what one can think as common sense is not common sense to all. We all come from such different backgrounds and ways of interpreting things that when I hear people talk to me like this, I have learned not to judge talaga and think, kasalanan mo. It's, they're probably doing what they think is best. But precisely why? Reach out and ask for help. If you feel like, hindi ko na alam kung ano talagang gagawin ko, humingi na po kayo ng tulong because obviously meron kang hindi naiintindihan na pwede kang tulungan para matulungan mo yung anak mo. I mean, yun lang yung punot dulo is awareness and mindfulness of your child's situation. Ang dami kasi nga na parang, yun, feeling nila na dahil ang daming nagsasabi na, nung bata ako, hindi naman ako pinakailaman. Iniwan lang naman ako, naglaro ako mag-isa ko, natutunan ko naman lahat. And while that's well and good because some children can learn by observing, a lot of children cannot. They need more para bang mas, it's not about tutok, yung para bang mas purposeful yung pagturo mo. For example, yung paggawa ng kape sa umaga. Meron akong mga friends na hindi nila tinuruan yung anak nila pero dahil everyday nakikita sila ng anak nilang gumagawa ng kape nila. Mamaya nakita na nila na, nagagawa niya on his or her own yung kape. May mga batang hindi man lang kayo mapapansin gumagawa ng kape and therefore ituturo mo yun specifically because now that we're on the topic of that, attention is one of the things that you need to look at in learning. If a child has no attention to their environment, they cannot learn. So sometimes you think, hindi naman niya natututunan. Hindi naman pala siya nakatingin sa inyo. Hindi naman pala kayo pinapanood. Hindi naman pala kayo ang interesting para sa kanya. Papasok na tayo dyan sa screen habits.
Oh yeah.
Paano magkaka-attention yung bata kung puro babad sa screens? And then sabihin natin, hindi naman all day teacher. Dapat talaga hindi all day. 0 to 2 years old should have 0 screens.
Pakiulit yan.
0 to 2 years old should have 0 screens. I wish this could be as normal as saying, wag niyong painumin ng tubig yung bata pag infant sila.
Bawal uminom ng tubig?
Bawal. Sige, I'll give something more obvious, sorry.
God. Until when?
Hindi ko na alam yung ganung details.
Oh my
Alam ko
gosh.
lang is in the first week, gatas lang talaga dapat.
Holy
Hindi pwedeng magtubig. Ano nga, do you remember the reason? Something about,
the things in the water, probably.
hanapin mo, lagyan mo ng
Oh. Pero shoutout sa let us know sa comments kung bakit bawal pala uminom ng tubig ng
Oo
mga
nga, baka
sanggol.
alam nila ng mga
yan.
mami.
Alam nila yung mga yan.